These are my teammates Parv Sharma and Kashish Jain, and we are here to present our solution, College Mate. So, when we go into a particular institution, we have to enter our data because that institution has a particular software. And when I went into my college, I had to fill my same data multiple times because the university has different softwares for different purposes, like the TNP cell, the student profile, the library management system. But all these data are same, but are stored into different databases. And the university purchases these different softwares, and our maintenance also is different. So it is very expensive for the university, and for the students also it is very hectic. So we want to develop a particular solution in which all these softwares are integrated into one system and use one database only. Now this is our solution. Next slide. Now you can see that we can integrate all these different softwares like the college forms, the vehicle parking registration, the faculty feedback system, the payment portal, the library management system, and the classroom management system. For like in case of college forms, if I have to bring my car into the college premises, I have to have a sticker, and for that we have to fill a form. Now that form is a hard copy. I have to write it down and sign it, and then give it to the dean. The dean will put a stamp, and then I would get the sticker. Now this process takes a time of 1.5 months. But we as the students of CS can develop a software, can develop an app so that this can be digitalized and the time can be reduced into just matter of weeks. Next slide. Now this is the UI that we have generated. Like if the college wants to apply, they can just click on that particular button and these features will be shown. The classroom, the library, the fee portal, the vehicle parking, the hostel allotment, the utilities and such other. And all these services, if the college does not have the hostel service, like the hostel, then they should not pick the hostel allotment. They do not need that particular service. So they can choose the particular services that they want from this. They want the classroom service, they want the utility service. They can just choose that, and they will also pay for that only. They do not need the whole package. Next slide. Now this is the fee portal that we have designed. The student can go just on the dashboard and they can just go and pay the fee. This is the classroom management, which will be for the teachers, the class representatives, and the students. Next slide. Now, whenever we talk about a particular project or a particular software, we have to think about what is the future of that particular project. Like, what do we add into it so that it can be reached to more people, and how it can be used effectively. Now, the system is modular and all the different softwares are integrated as services into different servers. So the memory and the load is reduced effectively. And the pricing also of the software can be set according to all the services that is selected by the colleges. Next slide. The technologies that we have used in our particular software is React, Redux, and for the backend we have used the Node, Express, and MySQL. This is our presentation, and we are now open for the questions.
So you are developing the complete package, or you will integrate the software that is available in the particular university or college?
So we will develop the complete package.
So it may not be, university may not go for it, because suppose say already we have got it, one package for the library, one package for the hostel, one package for TNP, because the service providers are different, servers are different. Then obviously they may not go for it because they might have a license term for 5 to 7 years like that. Then why they will go for your software?
Thank you. So this is actually the major problem that we are catering. So for example, if a particular college requires only say 2 or 3 services, like he gave the example for the hostel service one, that if they do not need that, they can exclude it. So they can continue with it. But the main issue that we are solving here is the data integration. So if, for example, we come into the college, it should not be like I have to fill the same data for 5 different services because their service packages are different for a particular hostel. So, for a particular service. So that's it. So it's kind of an umbrella, but we have our complete B2B.
Whatever packages you have shown, all the packages are needed. One cannot think of 2 packages, 3 packages like that, because in any institution these are the common. Even many more things also
Yes, sir.
has to be included.
Yeah.
It is not only this much. So in that case, the university may not go for your package. That is my question.
So, but if they would continue like this only, then they would have to pay a lot of money.
If you
And
can
the
develop,
maintenance would
if
be
you
also.
can develop such a software that whatever systems they have got for different service, they can be integrated together, then it's
Sir,
fine.
actually, if they are using the database, like they store the database. If that particular database can be integrated into one only, that we are trying to do here. But if for that we would have to like code into their particular software. But we cannot do that. So we are.
Your service only just to integrate the database, that's all.
So then it's not only the database because all the data is same. The data is same. All the services are using data of the student. So the library management was also using that. So the data is same. So why do we have the redundant data? Why should not we have the same data for different services?
That means you are simply providing the service of having a unified data system
Yes,
of
sir.
the student,
Yes, sir.
which will cater the need of different services like library.
All the services that are needed in the world.
They may be run by the different softwares, different companies. No problem.
No, sir.
So that would become an umbrella for all the already existing systems. But what we are trying to do here is that, so for example, if you have, say, if you are using a service and you already have a 5-year package issued for that, so we don't have a problem with that. You can continue with the rest of the services that require an R model, and then later, once your the package expires, you can take the entire and.
You can select that particular service from our, we can add that particular service into your plan system and then we can use that.
Most of the institutes already there are systems, ERP systems are available. What is your USP?
So our use is that there are different softwares for multiple things. But that particular, these different software should be integrated into one only. Because like in our college, we have a different software for the faculty feedback system, which is run by the software development cell. And there is the library the management system, which is run by the library only.
Such type of systems are also available. ERP.
So if there exists a complete integrated service, then we are not yet aware of that.
Sir, but if there are services like that, then they would be providing the whole package. They would not be having the particular microservices which can be taken and used separately. Like the university will be paying for all the services and not those particular services which they can use. So that's the main USP that the college can pay for those particular services that they actually would use.
My second question is, while implementation, the institutes are facing lot of problems. Okay. Have you done any sort of survey in the institutes? What
Yeah.
sort of problem they are facing?
Sir, actually, the package feedback system that I just mentioned that I only take into consideration in software development. So I just face that particular problem because we have to take the data of the students multiple times.
No, I am asking, have you done some systematic survey, selecting some sample size, taking the feedback from the stakeholders? What are the issues they are facing with the students?
Yes, the students we have taken the survey. Like as I mentioned that when I came into college, I had to fill 5 different forms. Like when in the initial first year, every week.
Not you.
My classmates, the other students in the D2. Like for example, like I mentioned for the vehicle registration, there's also the registration for the D2 Wi-Fi and there's also registration for the email ID. So all those forms are not available to the students directly and they have to just write it down and then give it to the dean or the concerned authority and then they would sign it and then give it to us. And that takes a lot of time. So in that particular time, the students does not have the data and they cannot use the services that are provided by the university. So that's a major problem for the students.
Sir, one more thing I would like to add into the USP that it is one stop for both the admin as well as the student. So for example, if we talk of our college, so like notes के लिए हमारे पास में notes का एक अलग application है, USMCP toolbox एक अलग application है, फिर हमारा TNPCL Calyx board अलग से use करता है, तो इतने सारे सॉफ्टवेयर हो जाते हैं और WhatsApp वगैरह का अलग रहता है लोड, तो हम चाहते हैं कि सब कुछ एक ही सॉफ्टवेयर में आ जाए, ऐसे अलग अलग जगह स्कैटर्ड ना रहे, तो बहुत हैक्टिक हो जाता है.
Like for the student, when it comes to the college, from the day one to the graduation day, you should use only one software. उसको कोई और software use करने की जरूरत ही ना हो.
What stage of development you are right now?
Sir, we have already made the classroom management system, and we are developing the people, and then we'll take on the different packages that we have, like the hostel allotment, the library management system, and so on. It's a very big thing, but obviously it needs to be implemented. What we do. Thank you.
Thank you.
The cost the university has to pay for what cost?
So we would we would have to take down what are the different costs. But I think that the cost would be less because all these services would be running on the different servers, and for a particular time only this service would be used. Like if you talk about the admission process, that is only for one particular time in the year. So in that particular time, the server would have the load, and the price would be like for that. Like if we talk about like in like today, if we talk about cloud, if we have pay as you go system. So if we use a particular server and whatever the server uses, memory and load, then the pricing is generated by that one. So it can be generated like that. So, but the pricing would be less than the complete system that the university is using.
Are you taking timetable into consideration in this?
Yes, sir. In the classroom management system, we were taking the like we started developing the classroom management system in the online mode. So the links came in WhatsApp, and we had to figure out what is the link, and then all the announcements also came on WhatsApp, but students could not get that information properly. So we had to integrate some system. Then we thought that why should we only keep it to classroom management? We have all different other software, also we should expand it. So that was the main thing.
About if some student gets
So the data would be have to delete it from the database of that particular student if it gets failed or if it moves to different colleges, because after the first year many students give the JEE again and they move to different universities, colleges. Then their data would be like shifted from the database. It would be deleted. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Obviously, the students would have a particular student profile in which all the marks also of the students would come, all the attendance of the students would come, and like if a particular student has wants that he wants this particular attendance only, like he is working on in some internships or different things, then our system would also tell that you need these more classes to get this particular attendance, that you do not get this marks in your academics or whatever. So the student would get tab, the teacher would get a tab. All those logins are there as I showed you. Thanks, sir.
So I have one question. So actually two. So you're talking about a unified database, right? So that would also mean that there would be some downtime. And what if? So how reliable is this? And second, since it's one database, it's more susceptible for cyber attacks. And since you all are a college student, so have you thought about the cyber security aspect of that? And since it's a single database, it could affect the total university, right? So have you thought about that?
Yes, sir. Obviously, security is a major issue because all this data is official, and if it gets into wrong hands, it can be used like very adversely. So obviously, security is a very major issue, and we would implement the security rules into that. Like if we are using a particular database, we'll add the security. We haven't
We don't have
written.
the proper technical implementation and algorithms designed for that yet because we are obviously at
But I want to point out that no system is 100% cyber security free. So that again leaves some percentage. So alright, I think you can do it, but as a suggestion I should say that even if you want to keep a unified database, there should be multiple backup options as well. So that if one fails,
that should always be there. We can't say that if a DB is say malfunctioning or defective, then we can let the system go down. So there will be obviously mirror data as well.
Like in FSS also, like faculty text matters, right? We have the data dump or the backup data, that's because if the database gets corrupted or something like that, we can just restore it and just not get it.
One question from my end. So you guys have created this particular thing. So let's say if I get into hostel, तो मेरे को एक कार्ड मिलेगा अपने हॉस्टल का. So is there facility जहाँ से मैं इसी पे हॉस्टल का अपना कार्ड दिखा सकूँ? या जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल if you say you applied for Wi-Fi, तो would I get the notification कि हाँ आपका Wi-Fi का ये हो चुका है and you will be there. And let's say आपने 1 GB यूज़ करा है, you have used MySQL, so it's not possible कि हर एक के लिए जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हॉस्टल के लिए देयर वुड बी सम इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड जो वाईफाई के लिए नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा होगा ना? आपने यूज किया MySQL, यू हैवंट यूज्ड MongoDB, तो MongoDB के अंदर तो टेबल जो होती है दैट वुड बी ऑफ डिफरेंट साइज, नहीं बट SQL के अंदर तो टेबल आएगी ना, वो कॉलम आएगा, दैट वुड गो एम्प्टी. तो आपकी एप्लीकेशन में अभी करंटली आई गेस स्पेस ज़्यादा वेस्ट हुई होगी बिकॉज यू डोंट नीड इट एंड उसमें आपको बैकग्राउंड, तो उसको आपने कैसे ट्रैक करा? एंड दूसरी चीज़, व्हाई नॉट आई कैन यूज गूगल फॉर्म इंस्टेड, वो गूगल फॉर्म में सबको सर्कुलेट कर दूँ एंड ऑल द सिस्टम्स दे हैव, they can simply go and upload it, क्योंकि इनके तो पैसे दे चुके हैं, right? Now if I have Google Form and I have the details of every student, एक बार फॉर्म भरवाया, मेरे पास डिटेल आ गई और मैंने उस डिटेल को यूज करके सबको दे दिया कि क्रिएट देम, तो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैव टू डन?
Yes, you're right, but मतलब हमने ऐसा देखा है कि वो जो गूगल फॉर्म आता है वो जाके एक पर्टिकुलर उसमें जाता है, मतलब वो प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं हो पाती उसकी.
गूगल फॉर्म एंड ऑलरेडी उसको नहीं यूज कर रहे हो, उसके लिए ये रीजन है ऑथेंटिकेशन नहीं है उस चीज़ की, आप इसको फॉर्म
Validation नहीं है.
कुछ भी कर देगा उसमें, उस चीज़ की वैलिडेशन तो नहीं है हमारे पास.
और डेटा डिटेक्शन बहुत आता है. स्टूडेंट फॉर्म बार बार भरते थे और वो डेटा एंट्री आगे की प्रैक्टिस होता है.
एक्सेल शीट मैं एक कमांड लगाऊंगा, सब डेटा रिडंडेंसी हो जाएगी.
फिर वो काम बढ़ गया ना.
सब आएगा, पर मैं भी तो मतलब फेक डेटा
जस्ट आस्किंग व्हाट हैव यू डन टू, जैसे मैं वो कर रहा हूँ ना, मेरे MySQL क्यों यूज कर रहा, व्हाट्स द रीजन फॉर यूजिंग MySQL एंड नॉट Mongo?
फिर एक्चुअली यूनिवर्सिटी से जो सिस्टम चल रहे हैं तो उसमें ऑलरेडी डेटा उनके पास है, जो वो डेटा भी हम अपने सिस्टम पे लेकर आए, तो उन पर ऑलरेडी डेटा, तो वो सब कुछ उनको लेना उनसे आसान होगा. और अगर जैसे आपने हॉस्टल के पहले बोला था और डेटा डिटेक्शन होगा तो हॉस्टल पे अलग टेबल होगी और हमारा जो बाकी जो और चीज़ें जो और डे स्कॉलर्स का है तो उनका अलग होगा. स्टूडेंट का जैसे चल रहा है तो उसमें एक पर्टिकुलर हमारा कॉलम होगा कि इसका हॉस्टल टू है बॉल है, और हॉस्टल के टेबल में कितनी सारी डेटा होगा, तो
Excuse me. भैया
थैंक यू.